Okay, just to verify that your stamp is now 2 inches, go to annotate and measure. You're gonna measure the distance. You're gonna click somewhere here and somewhere there, and you should have 50. Okay, 50.8 would be 2 inches. So it is around 50 on the width. So let's press escape and then let's save this. Make sure that it's named whatever name you're supposed to have it, which is your last name, and then stamp, and then you should put like number 2, number 3 here. I'm gonna click save now, and I'm gonna wait until this one's finished saving. And once it's saved, I can now go back to my Google Drive AutoCAD files. Okay, and I'm going to open my exercise 1. Once exercise 1 is open, okay, I'm going to be in paper space. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a margin here, okay, or a block, so to speak. Okay, so I'm going to put my stamp here, and to put that stamp, I'm going to use blocks, and then we're going to browse for blocks, and we're going to look for my stamp. Here it is. I click that, click insert, and then I will click anywhere, and then my stamp will be here, so I simply click anywhere here, and then simply zoom in. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do a move and move my stamp where it's supposed to be. All right, so that's going to serve as like my official stamp. uh Sometimes you're gonna have a problem like this with the blocks, and all you're going to do is explode and correct this step. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to do modify and explode, select that, press enter, select the um, solid hatch, and then delete or erase. Nope, I undo. I'm going to undo. I selected the name, so I'm going to select somewhere here and then erase. There you go. And then just put a hatch again. And then I can just change the hatch to any name, but we're going to use in particular the solid hatch. It's easier to change the hatch than to change or select the hatch name before you put the hatch. Okay, so now that it's there, I can make it another block if you want. So I'm going to select, right, and I can create that as a block if you want to. I don't see it being moved around, so I'm just going to leave it not as a block. Okay, but that's how you're going to use the stamp on your drawing on paper space, and then insert that stamp using blocks. Okay.